ऐसा नहीं है यार. Second chance for love or second chance for career. Food. So yeah, we are currently dealing with them. Because TMI, no one asked, but sorry, don't get offended, but seriously. Hello, my precious people. What is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, from the title आपको अंदाजा लग ही गया होगा that today I am going to do this or that challenge. This is going to be a really fun video. So I thought why not just come up with it, and here I am. So here on my tab I have 50 questions which I am going to answer one by one. So I guess this is going to be a pretty long video, but I'll definitely try to keep it short and simple, yet up to the point. So I would just request you all to grab your snacks and let's get going ahead with the video. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm the Sassy Leoman, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just get up and get going. Alright guys, let's just start, and I will try to keep it like a quick rapid fire kind of a thing, but जहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि मुझे reason देना चाहिए, then I will definitely give you all a reason also. So let's start with the very first one, which says vacation or staycation. So I think staycation, because I don't have that habit of staying away from my home, my place for a very long time. So yes, staycation. Then comes phone in the bathroom or no phone in the bathroom. So I am the kind of a person who prefers no phone in the bathroom. Sauce on the side or sauce on the top. So basically here it is about food. So I prefer sauce on the side because not everything I pair with sauce. So yes, then sort by price or sort by rating. Okay, shopping related. I will prefer basically both because price is also important and the ratings are also very important. So yes, I consider both of them while shopping. Next comes bad breath or bad odor. Ew. None guys, none, absolutely none. I just can't tolerate foul smells. So yes, working hard or hardly working. Seriously, I will absolutely go with working hard. Loud neighbors or nosy neighbors? Nosy neighbors, no, a big no from my side. And about loud neighbors, we are currently dealing with them. Shh, don't tell anyone, okay? So we can definitely adjust with loud neighbors. Next is night or morning. So yes, I was a night owl, but now I definitely prefer mornings because I feel in the morning if you get up early, you definitely get extra hours, do all of your course and all at their proper time. So yes, I am trying to be a morning person, passenger or driver. So this also depends who is driving. Currently, I trust only two persons with driving. First my dad and second my cousin brothers. So yes, अगर कोई और person drive कर रहा है, then I will prefer that I drive because yes, I trust my driving more than the other person. So yeah, this depends. If my father or brother is driving, then I can be a passenger princess, but if someone else is driving, then I definitely prefer to be the driver myself. Car or bike? So anything. Next, ove money or ove a favor? So I will go with ove a favor because I don't like to keep money relations with people who are very close to me, because I have experienced that whenever money comes in between, relations खराब होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. So yeah, I will definitely go with owing a favor to someone rather than owing money. So yes, tea or coffee? ये तो आपको भी पता होगा. I am a tea person. I am a chai lover. So yes, of course, anytime, anywhere, tea. Attend a party or host a party? Attend a party because hosting a party is a lot of work. So yes. Cash or card? I will definitely go with UPI. Can I just GPay instead? So yes, I always do GPay. So yeah, salad or sandwich? Sandwich with brown bread. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't like salads. I love to eat salads. Currently, my favorite is kimchi salad. TMI, no one asked, but I'm telling you, okay? I like salads also, but I will go with sandwiches. Next comes call first thing in the morning or call in the middle of the night. So I am the kind of person कि मुझे किसी के भी कॉल्स आ जाए रात को 11 बजे के बाद, except my family members. So I don't pick other people's calls after 11 p.m. So I always prefer call first thing in the morning. Next is photos or videos. Basically anything, just click well. Shopping online or shopping in store? Shopping online. Next is books or movies. So movies, but काफ़ी ज़्यादा लिमिटेड मूवीज़ है जो मैं देखती हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक टू वॉच एक्शन एंड थ्रिलर. नेक्स्ट कम्स ब्रांड नेम और जेनेरिक. सो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड ये किस चीज़ के लिए है. अगर इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड स्टफ, सो आई कैन डेफिनेटली गो विथ जेनेरिक, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेडिसिन्स आई डेफिनेटली गो विथ ब्रांड नेम्स. वीकेंड्स और हॉलीडेज? दिस इज़ द गुड वन. नाउ आई फील कि जो लास्ट के वीकडेज होते हैं ना, उसमें अगर हॉलीडेज आ जाए तो भाई मज़ा आ जाता है. लाइक यू गेट एक्सटेंडेड वीकेंड्स, है ना. सो फ्राइडे सैटरडे अगर हॉलीडे मिल जाए तो. ड्राइविंग फास्ट और ड्राइविंग स्लो? Hands down, driving slow. When I was a teenager, like when I was in my 11th standard, I used to love speeds, but presently no, it's a big no from me for speeding up vehicles. So yes, driving slow. Speed or accuracy? Okay, so the kind of exams I'm giving presently, both are extremely important for me. So see the future or change the past? See the future, of course. I have heard Priyanka Chopra saying somewhere, I think वो कोई शो था, so she said, I don't read my books backwards. So exactly, that is very true. We are not supposed to read our books backwards. So yeah, definitely see the future. Money or love? Basically both. Success or happiness? This is a tough one, okay? Success or happiness? Basically currently for me, success is happiness. So yes, actually both are important. वैसे this is a subjective matter because काफ़ी लोग जो successful है, they are saying कि they are not happy, but for me currently success is happiness. Optimistic or pessimistic? So of course optimistic. Painful truth or comforting lie? Hands down, anywhere, anytime, I prefer to go with painful truth because I can't trust people who lie about the smallest things to me. So yes, I prefer painful truth over any kind of a comforting lie. I feel ki that is not really worth it. So yes, a painful truth. Second chance for love or second chance for career? Second chance for career, because the people who love you won't wait for a second chance. They will do each and everything correct in the first go itself. So yes, I prefer second chance for career. So yeah. Next, dogs or cats? Cats. Messy or tidy? Well, I am a tidy person, so yeah. I love when everything is clean, composed, and you can just relax. So yes, tidy. Wash dishes immediately or wait until the sink is full? No, for me it is wash dishes immediately because, so firstly, I don't feel कि it is hygienic to keep used dishes for a long time in the sink because they stink, okay? So yeah, I prefer कि वॉश द डिशेज इमीडिएटली आफ्टर यूजिंग दोज, बिकॉज जब हम कलेक्ट करते जाते हैं देन बहुत सारे डिशेज होते हैं एंड इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड एनर्जी टू क्लीन द डिशेज. सो आई प्रेफर क्लीनिंग डिशेज इमीडिएटली. बार सोप और बॉडी वॉश? Body wash, because I have currently ditched bar soaps and I am using body washes or shower gels. Ice cream cone or milkshake? Ice cream cone, although I am sick right now, but ice cream. Stargazing or cloud watching? This is nice one. Basically both. I am the kind of person who loves to watch skies. The skies are always so pretty. So be it stargazing or cloud watching, I am up for both. Yeah. Time travel to the past or future? Future. I don't like visiting past, so yeah, future. Next is again food. Pizza or pasta? Pizza. Sushi or taco? Taco. I have tried sushi once and I don't know, मुझे वो बहुत blunt सी लगी, so maybe I'll try another restaurant, but for now I'm a taco person. Next, romantic movie or thriller? As I have already told, romantic movies, because action movies या thriller I don't like. So toothpaste flavored ice cream or ice cream flavored toothpaste? What should I say? Toothpaste flavored ice cream? Seriously? This question is थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही अटपटा. So who will like toothpaste flavored ice cream? I would definitely go with ice cream flavored toothpaste instead. Comedy or horror movies? Comedy movies, because I can't watch horror. I don't watch horror because फिर वो यहीं पे घूमते रहते हैं. So no, I get scared very easily. So yeah, I don't watch horror movies. For me, it is comedy. Next comes hot shower or cold shower. Basically, it depends on the weather. Firstly, when it comes to changing seasons, so it gets extreme at my place. तो अगर यहाँ summer है तो बहुत ज़्यादा temperature बढ़ जाता है, and if winters are going on जैसे अभी, तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा cold हो जाता है. So I can definitely can't go with one. अगर summer चल रहा है then I prefer cold shower, and if winters are going on then I prefer hot showers. Next is summer or winter. So I like weather changing, but ज़्यादा ही summers या कुछ ज़्यादा ही winters या कुछ ज़्यादा ही rainy season I am not a huge fan of. I don't prefer extremes. So yes, starting में सारे seasons अच्छे लगते हैं. So yeah, but extreme summer, winter या rainy I don't like. So next comes beer or wine. Yuck, none. Sorry, don't get offended, but none. I don't drink. So extra sleep or little sleep? Definitely extra sleep, because little sleep rahi to you get sick. So playlist or podcast? Again, depends on my mood. I listen to songs and I listen to podcasts, so both. Next comes overdressed or underdressed. This is the very simple. Overdressed because I cannot go underdressed anywhere, be it a small party or small get together, but I would prefer to go या तो properly dressed, और अगर कोई emergency है जिसमें I couldn't manage a proper dress, then I will definitely go for overdressed rather than going underdressed. So yes. Next one comes pastel or bright. If it is clothing and stuff, or be it footwear, so I can carry and I can rock each and everything. So pastel is also, I'm okay with it, and agar bright colors rahe, bright shades rahe, then also I am pretty okay with all of that. So yes. Next comes boots or sneakers. Ankle length sneakers, I feel. Pehle to I will definitely go with boots only, because boots are one thing which is in my cart for a long time and now I am planning to purchase them. So yeah, sneakers का comfort, लेकिन style थोड़ा सा ankle length में मिल जाए तो it would be a cherry on the cake. So we have completed all the questions. We have addressed all 50 this and that questions. And this was such a fun activity to do, and we literally covered all of these quickly. So yes, what do you guys think about it? If you want कि मैं और भी this or that questions के answer दूँ, then please drop in your this or that questions in the comments below. And I really had fun doing this. And yes, this is it for today's video. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.